Setting a stop loss on Uphold is a crucial risk management strategy that helps limit potential losses in trading. To get started, first log into your Uphold account and navigate to the trading section. Choose the asset you want to set a stop loss for and click on it to open the trading interface. Look for the stop loss option, which is usually located below the buy and sell buttons. To set a stop loss, you need to specify the price at which you want to sell the asset if it falls below a certain level. This price is known as the stop price. Enter the stop price in the designated field, making sure it is lower than the current market price for a long position. Next, you need to set the limit price, which is the price at which you want to sell the asset once the stop price is triggered. The limit price should be equal to or lower than the stop price. After entering the stop and limit prices, review your stop loss order to ensure everything is correct. Check the asset, stop price, and limit price to avoid any mistakes. Once you are satisfied with your stop loss order, click the Confirm button to execute it. Your stop loss order will now be active and will automatically sell the asset if the stop price is reached. It is essential to note that stop loss orders are not guaranteed and may not be executed at the exact stop price due to market volatility. However, they can help limit potential losses and protect your investment. Best practices for setting stop loss on Uphold include regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop loss orders, using a stop loss percentage rather than a fixed price, and combining stop loss with other risk management strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use stop loss on Uphold to manage risk and protect your investments. Setting a stop loss is an essential part of any trading strategy, and Uphold provides a user-friendly interface to make it easy to set and manage stop loss orders.